Right, well, it's Dad's birthday today and I am making him his, well, one of his faves, Banoffee Pie. It's actually such an easy recipe, although one I've never done before. So this is my first time because Dad usually makes it, but we'll be fine. It's super easy. We've got everything that you need here. I'll link it in the caption. I'm gonna start by putting my hair up actually, because, well, we wanna be good in the kitchen. Harry, have you had Banoffee Pie before?
Once when I was much younger, so I'm quite excited to try. Oh, will I get to try it? There's going to be some...
Actually, no, you won't get to try it because this is actually going to Dad. First of all, we're going to take our digestive biscuits. Do you know what I was thinking? Because I nearly didn't have enough digestives. I wondered if you could use Biscoff for the base because that might be quite nice. But we'll put our digestives in and just give them a blitz. Using my Ninja. What does everyone think of the Ninja? Such a nice, easy cake to make. Do you know what I was thinking though? Probably not a birthday cake. This is a Banoffee Pie, and then I'm just hoping candles actually go in it because the top's cream. Then we're gonna put our biscuits in the bowl. So let's put our melted butter, and this is gonna make our base. I could just eat digestives and melted butter. So this is also the same base as our easy cheesecake. But actually for the cheesecake, you can use any biscuits really. Depends on what flavour your cheesecake is. I've got a cake tin here. I tend to only have one size cake tin, and then because I refuse to just have so many sizes of cake tins that you've got too much in your kitchen. So I tend to look for recipes that fit this one size cake tin, and then I've just got a little reusable liner in the bottom. And these are really good, you can just wash them up. Also, I really love the cake tins with the snap, so you can just take your cake out. So we'll just put this in here and then just press it down. And you want to press it so it comes up the sides. There's no technique here. Actually, there's no technique with me. It doesn't have to be, I mean, you can do it really nice and perfect, but you know, we're home bakers. This isn't, you know, MasterChef. And then we'll put this in the fridge while we do everything else. So we've got our brown sugar and butter. And we're gonna put that on a low heat to start. Watch out, Nigella. Sophie's taking your crown. Okay, while that's melting, I'm just gonna open the next ingredient, which is condensed milk. And when we put the condensed milk in, you'll see this turn from a not so inviting, tasty looking dark colour to a nice golden colour. Ooh. And we're going to turn the heat up and bring this to the boil. Look, keep stirring. Right, here we go. Bringing it to the boil. It is actually burning. Oh no, I've burnt it. Right, I think I'm gonna bring that off the heat now because I'm burning it. Right, we're gonna attempt the toffee bit again because when I say we burnt it, Harry didn't burn it, I did. So let's try it again. Luckily it's not too, luckily I had all the ingredients because it's just butter, sugar, condensed milk. So let's just turn this up a little bit. Try this again. In for the butter. I'll keep it low this time. This will work. Let's get this ready.
Actually looks quite good on the
I mean, it tastes good, but the thing is, you can taste that it's burnt. So it's just no good. It's just not going to be the cake at its best because it'll have that tingy, burnt smell. I mean, we could have eaten it, eh, Harry?
Oh yeah.
It also had flecks of burntness in it, which didn't look pretty. It's just not birthday ready. Condensed milk going in. Could just eat that on its own. I also think this shaped spoon is helping because it's flat, so I'm able to sort of scrape it off. Like really isn't coming to the boil. Right, it's starting to, I'm panicking. I can see it's starting to stick. I wonder if it will just set like this now. I'm gonna put it there. Right, I'm just gonna go for it. Now it's boiling, that it's off the bloody pan, innit? Well, it's thickened. So I guess we just leave that to chill for an hour, see what it does. Look at that. Right, now we're going to finish off our banoffee pie with some whipped cream. I'm going to put just a little bit of icing sugar in the whipped cream, just gives it a little sweetness. I've not done that before for this. So I'm just going to start off with a little bit and see what it tastes like. Right, you need 2 big bananas or 2 small bananas. It's nice and chilled. Just look at our mixture now. It's nice and chilled. Much better than the first one. I'm going to spoon this in here. Spread that out. I didn't think that was going to be enough, but it is a good generous layer. Banoffee pie doesn't need to be super pretty unless that's your aesthetic. Right, next bananas. I mean, I'm meaning to do this really nicely, but it's just not happening. Now let's go in with our layer of cream. Oh my gosh. Now you don't need it to cover the whole top of the pie. And then to finish off, just a little bit of milk chocolate, totally optional. Beautiful. That is beautiful.
Look at that. Happy?
Yeah. Nice, eh?
Very
I mean, I'm happy. I get to eat that in roughly 4 hours. So, buzzing. Put it in the fridge for now.